Introducing MOUZEN. MOUZEN is an innovative armrest designed to optimize the position of your wrist and reduce pain while working with your mouse and keyboard. MOUZEN takes 6 seconds to install, and it's so beautiful, you'll never want to take it off. With its ErgoFlow mechanism, MOUZEN allows you to move freely and comfortably, supporting your arm in a natural state and forcing you to maintain an upright posture. Did you know that an average user makes up to 7,000 mouse clicks every day? But not all repetitions are good. Maintaining your wrist in an unnatural position can be associated with repetitive strain injuries, tendinitis, and potential risk of the carpal tunnel syndrome. We've designed a concept that keeps your arm in a natural position to relieve wrist tension and shoulder pain. MOUZEN is a result of more than 1,000 hours of development and countless reiterations, giving birth to a groundbreaking ErgoFlow mechanism that supports your arm and allows it to move freely in all directions. Dear Kickstarter community, with a working prototype, MOUZEN is now ready to hit the production line. Pledge to our project today, build a more ergonomic workstation, and create a healthier and more productive future for yourself or your employees. Ergonomics designed. MOUZEN.